Hi friend, please subscribe my channel. LGX Power, 16 GB, 5.3 screen with 4100 mAh battery, 4G LTE GSM factory unlocked phone US 610, grey. Factory unlocked phone with 4100 mAh non-removable extended battery with Qualcomm Quick Charge 2.0, Android version 6.0.1 Marshmallow. 5.3-inch HD LCD 720x1280 pixels, 277 ppi pixel density, Snapdragon 210 quad-core 1.3 GHz processor, FM radio. 16 GB ROM, 2 GB RAM, 8MP rear camera, 1080p video, with LG exclusive photo features, 5MP front camera, microSD slot, up to 256 GB. 4G LTE Bands 2/4/5/12/13/17/25, GSM 850/900/1800/1900 MHz, 1.9 GHz CDMA PCS, 800 MHz. CDMA, compatible with most GSM carriers including T-Mobile, AT&T, MetroPCS, Straight Talk, etc. Resolution 1280x720 pixels.